Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to deposit money in Binance using debit card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, of course, whichever you have, and of course download the Binance application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course guys, if you already don't have one, you can always go and register to Binance. But now guys, let's see what you have actually in front of us. So as you can see here guys, we have the markets, we have the square, and we have the buy, sell, convert, and deposit, the discover, and the portfolio tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and deposit money in Binance using debit card. So first of all, log into your Binance account and go to the buy crypto and select fiat center. So you can click on here, click on buy, and you will be sent here. And you just need to go and put the fiat center. Now, you under deposit, choose a bank card. So when you choose a crypto, we choose everything, choose bank card. Select the currency you want to deposit from your bank card, click continue. After that, if you added your card before, click change card and select the card that you want to use. Otherwise, click add new card. You review the order details and click confirm. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.